Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Spaghetti sauce from scratch. 3 pounds tomatoes. 1/8 cup olive oil. 1 large onion diced. 6 cloves garlic diced. 3 tablespoon fresh thyme leaves, chopped optional. 1/4 cup fresh basil leaves, chopped. Salt and pepper to taste.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Tomato juice is a good sauce substitute. For 1/2 cup tomato sauce and 1/2 cup water, 1 cup tomato juice plus dash of salt and sugar can be used. An extremely handy substitute for tomato sauce is puree. For 1/2 cup tomato sauce and 1/2 cup water, 1 cup tomato puree plus dash of salt and sugar can be used.
Take our lead.
Directions. In a Dutch oven, sauté onions in oil until tender. Add the tomatoes, garlic, bay leaves, salt, oregano, pepper and basil. Bring to a boil. Add tomato paste and brown sugar. Simmer, uncovered, for 1 hour. Discard bay leaves. Serve with pasta and basil, if desired.
Let's help you make your mark.
8 ways to elevate canned spaghetti sauce. 1 extra virgin olive oil. Adding a good amount of a flavorful olive oil will go a long way in infusing flavor into your sauce. 2 fresh garlic. 3 meat. 4 hot pepper flakes. 5 red wine. 6 fresh or dried herbs. 7 cheese. 8 cream and/or butter.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.